Hey, good evening, guys. It's your friend Steven out here in Wilkesbarre, PA. This is a disclaimer to the video that you guys are going to see. The revisit to the abandoned Wilkesbarre City train station. In that video, you're going to see, well, towards the end, because, like, the reason, this would be, like, maybe the fourth time that I go over there. It's a very active, my opinion, very spiritually active. I've gone there with my daughter with K2 meter and spirit box only, and I've gotten some communication. I've gotten some chit chatter from the spirits there. So today is Sunday. I don't know. It's like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. My son-in-law did a favor for me, and he's a fanatic. He likes ghost hunting, and we ended up going back to the train station. This time I brought along my SLS camera, which it picks up spirits and then it maps it out in a stick form. We did catch a spirit. I don't know if I was able to, because like I kept juggling the camera back and forth to my son-in-law, and get out of there. When I noticed that I caught the spirit, the first time I caught it, I know I'm jumping around here. As you will notice, every time I go over there, I put the K2 meter on I think that's the front entrance. But anyway, it's an entryway that's boarded up with a sheet of plywood. Every time I put that K2 meter there, it goes crazy. Okay? So once we got there, we put the meter on. We put the meter on the board there, the entryway. It started picking up. So now I break out the SLS camera, and I caught the spirit as if it was crawling on the floor. Like it honestly knew that we were, and I think I know it hears us, so pretty much I'm telling my son-in-law, okay, we're going to be able to see it. I understand spirits, I think, my opinion, don't want to be seen. Like they want to be like on the down low, let's call it. But I don't know if I got to see it with the like if I got to get the phone. I don't know if you guys will see it, but I caught the spirit as if it was laying on the floor, like it didn't want to be seen. Then the second time I caught it, my son-in-law, I gave the camera to my son-in-law, and he was up and close to the meter that I caught the spirit like hovering above him. Then the third time, it was, let's just say I caught it 3 times. In that video, you're going to notice, I think twice it happened. The first time, it was as if somebody threw a rock at the boarded up window. Mind you, there's nobody around. So how that rock got motion and hit the boarded window, it bewilders me. Then the second time, I kept having problems with the camera. Something kept knocking the camera offline. It never did that before. My opinion, I think the spirit was screwing with my equipment. As I bring the camera so I could sit it down on top of my hood of my vehicle so I could restart the computer and get it back and running. All I heard was a bang. I look at my son-in-law. It ain't him. Again, nobody in the area. So all I could say is that twice we caught the spirit 3 times on video, and then I don't know if you guys will hear it, but we caught twice. I just say there's activity at that train station, and I just wanted to catch it with the camera, But watch it, enjoy it. More to come, man. More to come. All right, guys, have a good night. Enjoy. Hey, good evening, guys. It's your friend Steven out here in Wilkesbarre, PA. All right, guys, as you can see, let me give you a bird's eye view, and I'm going to show you and explain to you why we're here again. But for most of you guys that have seen my videos, this is the abandoned Wilkesbarre train station in Wilkesbarre, on Wilkesbarre Boulevard. I've done a couple of videos here, and normally, right? Yep. You see how it starts to go off? Like they're letting me know I'm here, most of you guys know in my prior videos, this is an entrance right here where I got the K2 meter set up at. And oh my God, it always goes off. Like the activity is, my opinion, this is the way they're going in and out of it whatsoever. So today I brought my SLS camera. I've gotten conversation. I've come here with my daughter with the spirit box, and when I've gone home to record, upload it on my laptop and go over it with the headphones, I've gotten conversations from them. Okay, and I've already told the spirits that we come here with much respect. We are not trying to disrespect you spirits at all. We know this is where you live at. This is considered your home. So I don't want you guys to be upset with us in any way. We come here because we want to ask a few questions. And we're trying to prove to the world that spirits do exist. Believe it or not, spirits, there are people out here that don't believe you guys exist. So it's something that I want to show. Now, I don't know if you guys could see, but the K2 meter is spiking here and there. All right, do me a favor, Miguel. Just hold it up again. Just focus it on that box. Let me look at that.
A little bit. It stops when you get close to it, though.
I'm sure they're there and experienced too much.
Well, nah, but when you back up, it goes. Yo, why I peeked in the crack when I said and started blinking.
Yup. Come here, look. Oh, no, that's you, I think. Move out the way.
Scare me like that, man.
Move out the way. Yeah, that's you.
Look, it's blinking though. It's at 3. It's going to the middle.
Let me get that here. All right, I'm talking to the spirits that are here.
Let's move that shit.
Oh my God. Hold that. I hit the wire. I thought it was a spirit and it was you.
Oh, it's at the orange. It's spiking to orange.
Talk to the spirits, see if we can get them to communicate with you.
Yo, Pop, I'm scared to do that.
Oh, cut it out.
I'm not.
If it's flashing, you know they're there.
I'm scared to do that.
Talking to the spirits that are here. I hope you heard me when I said we come here with much respect. Please do not be upset with us in any way. What we're trying to do is prove to the world that you guys exist. Let me know if you can hear me. Tell me your name so I can greet you. Please, spirits, I'm asking you with respect if you can hear me. If you can hear me communicating, let me know. Hang on to that. Hang on to that. Give me the phone. All right, spirits. Give me the opportunity to see you. Show yourself. I have a camera here that's able to see you. Show yourself. There's nothing to be afraid of. None of these things in my hands will hurt you in any way. I am calling to the spirits that live here, that stay here. I am asking you to show yourself. There's nothing to be afraid of. I think it caught something in like a few seconds ago and then it left. And I think the spirits, they have the... Yep. I don't think it was you. Might have been you. Come back here with me, Miguel. I think, I'm not sure, but I think it caught you instead. I want you guys to see what well, you can't see too good, but once I catch a spirit on this box, yep, there you go. There you go. Exactly where the K2 meter is at. Exactly where the K2 meter is at. And it looked like he's on the floor trying to hide from us. Spirit, there's nothing to be afraid of. We see you, and we don't come here to try to harm you in any way. There's nothing to be afraid of. We just saw you a few seconds ago, and there's nothing to be afraid of. We're not trying to hurt you in any way. We just need some communication. Did you see it?
I saw it, yeah.
He was on the floor. Like that's why that K2 meter is going off. He was like laying down, like you said. And I think once they realized that we could see them, all of a sudden they bug out and they go scrambling or whatever.
Want me to move that board?
No. I just want to be able to catch it on camera. I want to be able to catch it on camera, but this light is throwing a beam. I don't know how to shut the light off.
You gotta reset it.
Yeah, I don't want to cut the video off or whatever. All right, let's try to. I know we need a little bit of light or whatever. I'm talking to the spirit that we just seen here a few minutes ago. My name is Stephen, just so that you know my name. Again, I say there's no reason to be afraid of me in any way. I come in peace. I come in peace. And all I want to do is communicate with you and show the world that you exist. Please do not be afraid of us in any way. Show yourself so I can see you again. Come on now. You don't have to be afraid of us. Show yourself. There's nothing to be afraid of, spirit. Are you the spirit of the man that killed himself here a couple of weeks ago? You could also talk to us using that box that's in his hand. We're able to hear you. We're able to see and hear you. Do not be afraid of us. I don't know why you don't want to be seen. Show yourself. Say that again? Yeah, he's there. He's there. And it's... the way it was, like when we first saw him, he wasn't standing. He was laying on the ground there as if he was trying to... There he goes, right there. He's right there. Now he's floating in the middle by the box. Yeah, he's right there in the corner, right there.
Crawl or like standing?
Oh, standing. Like where the box is at, but to the left of it, in the corner there, standing. Spirit, show yourself, please. There's nothing to be afraid of. We come here with good intentions. Son of a gun. Hang on to that. Oh, here we go. We're back on. Son of a gun. Okay. Come back here, Miguel. Let me get the camera. Go back over there, Ben.
Me?
Yeah. Just so you guys, that's what the spirit looks like, that map form, but that's Miguel. Okay? That's Miguel. I just told him to stand in front of the door. Come back over here, Miguel. But that's exactly what the spirit's... Son of a gun, man!
Right, let me hold that. You
Hang on to that. It's like he's hitting the wire or whatever. Well, the spirit is knocking it out of whack. Oh my God! Yeah, I think it is the spirit messing with the. Yeah, I think the spirit is messing with it.
Again?
Yeah. Well, the last time I hit it, the wire's right there, and I touched it and knocked it off. But, I was acting dumb that I think it is. Talk to it. See if we can get it. I'm going to restart.
Y'all gonna look, but I ain't talking. That's not my thing. Whoa. I'm looking. I'm scared to talk to it. You should put that shit inside here.
I just had it working, man, but
Probably fucking with it.
yeah, I think so. Because I'm not touching the wire right now, so it's doing things that it never did before.
He's blinking.
You could tell he's there, and I don't understand. Maybe he's afraid. I don't know why. If you want us to leave, make that box light up to red, and we will leave. To make that box light up to red, you gotta either touch it or get closer to it, and it will light up to red. So if you want us to leave, make it light up to red. Spirit, if you want us to leave, make that box light up to red.
Nothing?
There you go, man. There you go. Come on, Spirit. Show yourself. Show yourself, Spirit. There you go. He knocks it out again. It's never did that before. Never did that before.
When we leave from here, play with it and see if it works when you leave.
Come on, Spirit. There you go. He's right next to you.
Don't.
Yeah, he's right next to you.
Oh,
Give me the
that's
camera. Stay
it.
over there. So what? He's not gonna do nothing to you.
Say it like that and scare the fuck out of you.
Because he looks like he's hovering above you.
That was you?
No, that wasn't me.
I hope it's not any faggots over there. That wasn't you.
No, that wasn't me.
I don't think it was one of them either. They're not paying no mind to us.
No, that was him. That was the spirit.
That threw a rock?
I don't know about throwing a rock, but
Someone fell or got thrown.
Spirit, show yourself. Oh my God, man.
Again? I think that was it. Cause that is too coincidental. They would have been through a fucking rock.
I don't think it's them. I think it's the spirit.
I think so too.
The spirit, I don't know why he's scared of us or whatever.
But it happened after you said he was above me.
Well, he was. I caught you standing, and a damn thing won't stay open. Come on, man. Ain't that a son of a gun?
That red light keeps popping on, but it goes right back off.
What? What red light?
The beam, you can see it.
Yeah, because it's just like it's closing the window out. I'm going to try restarting it. If it don't work, then we're out of here. Because I think it is the spirit messing with us. Here, try to get it to talk to you, man. It's right there, man. Talk to it, bro.
What you?
Don't be afraid of it. Talk to it like if it's afraid. They're looking for something. I think this particular spirit is just afraid or whatever. He might not even know that he passed away or whatever.
Oh no, that bang was just too coincidental.
Well, I'm sure that was a spirit.
It's like if it was to divert your attention from what you saw.
I think basically he wants to scare us off. And we'll leave. Like I said, we didn't come here to cause you any disrespect on the home. All we want to do is talk to you. I understand this is your home. So I don't want you to think that we're disrespectful in any way.
Yeah, blink red if that was you who threw a rock. Blink red if it wasn't you that threw a rock. Okay. Nah, you can see when you get closer, you see good. Nope.
Don't lie.
I swear on my kids that wasn't me. On my kids, Steve, that was not me. It's inside. Whoo!
You lying.
On my kids, Steve, that was not me. I'm not fucking with you, bro. 3 big bang, boom, boom, boom. No, bullshit like 4.
You lying.
On my kids, Steve. It caught it. I know it did. It caught it. Someone's in there or something's in there.
Okay, we're gonna. This is not working.
Woo. Play this shit back like ASAP. Pops, on my kids, it wasn't me. I would not show my kids. I'm not fucking with you. From inside, clear as day, like if it banged on one of the boards. Yeah, you gotta get that little beeper thing too. I ain't getting that.
You're telling me it wasn't you that bad.
All my kids, Steve, that was not me. All my kids. You gotta hold this shit just in case.
Alright, Spirit.
Nah, we not leaving. I'm not leaving now.
Well, we're gonna leave.
I wanna see what the fuck, if it was somebody in there, if it was that. I wanna know now.
That meter is going wild off.
Nah,
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Hopefully there's not somebody in there. If there is a human inside, just say so we know we're not bugging you. If you think we're bugging you, we'll get out of here. All we doing is taking a little video. We sure that there's a spirit here. So if you feel that we're bothering, just say so and we're out. And now I'm talking to the spirit. Spirit, if you want us to leave, make that box light up to red. Video gets blurry now. Normally when you're recording and the video gets blurry is because the spirit is right by you.
It sounded like whatever hit it was in the room. Like I peeked in and like if you look to that side, there's a room deep in. But it sounded like a board. I looked, you'll play it back.
So I'm asking for the spirit to let us know, was that you? Was that you that made the noise? If that was you that made the noise, make it light up and stay lit. If that was you that made that noise, make that box light up and stay lit without shutting off. Come on now. I don't know why the video is blurry now, man. Come on, spirit, let me know. Was that you that made the noise? All right, spirit. I see you don't want to be bothered, and I'm going to give you the respect. We're going to leave. All right? I just want to say, Spirit, that we didn't come here to bother you or we didn't come here disrespectful. I ask you to give me the same respect that I give you. Do not follow us home. Do not attach yourself to me or Miguel or my vehicle or my equipment in any way. We are protected by Jesus Christ, St. Michael the Archangel, St. Benedict and Mary Mother of God. We're surrounded by the white light. So please do not follow us. Stay here where you've been at, and I hope things are okay for you. Rest in peace. We might come another day to say hello. Maybe you feel better to talk to us then. But we see that you don't want to be bothered, so we're going to leave. All right? So thank you for the time that you took with us, and we'll see you another day, okay? Have a good night.